Hi guys, welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make enchiladas verde or green enchiladas. For this you're going to need tortillas. You can take any kind of tortillas. I'm taking corn tortillas. You can take yellow corn tortillas or flour tortillas. Then cheese of any kind, yellow. Here I'm taking white cheddar, onion, coriander, chicken which has been cooked and which goes inside the enchiladas, and of course our green salsa verde which is on our YouTube channel. Okay, so to start with this we're gonna use half a cup of oil, like shallow frying the tortillas. Okay, so let it get really hot and we're gonna get the tortillas ready. Okay, so now our oil is nice and hot. This process is really fast. So what you gotta do is just put this right here and flip it real fast. You can't keep it for a long period of time because then it will cook too much. Okay, so now we got this out and put it on the side. That way, now you make all of your tortillas, whatever you're gonna make. We're gonna make about 6 of them. Here you are. Not too much cooking, so you take it out and that's the way. Finish all of your 6 tortillas like that. Okay, so now we got the tortillas ready to make this enchiladas. You can fill it with whatever you want. Usually, they make it with beef and chicken. Then put some nice onions. If you don't like onions, put something else. I like onions, and this is coriander. Put little cheese into it and then slowly roll it nicely so it doesn't come out, and just keep it right here like this, upside down, so it doesn't come out. So do this with the rest of the tortillas now. Okay, so I finally rolled everything for my enchiladas. They're stuffed with chicken and this sauce is nice and hot. This is our verde sauce, and just spread it gently on this enchiladas. And then top it with some cheese, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for hardly a minute or so that all the cheese just melts on it. Okay, so here's our amazing enchiladas, the green salsa verde enchiladas, and I'm going to top this with some nice avocado cream sauce which is on our Topper Chef channel also. And now this is ready to eat and enjoy. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!